Xero has a bankroll feature that reconciles regular cash transactions automatically. The three sections where you can create bankroll include while reconciling. You just click on the options drop down and the option create bankroll is here. Also in cash coding, wherein on the far right section it has a drop down and a link to create a bankroll. The last section would be here in the accounting menu and click bank accounts. So there is a tab for bankrolls. So whichever section you go to, you'll get the same screen to create a rule. You can actually set up a rule for spend money, for received money, and for transfer money. There are conditions that the bank statement line must meet to create bankroll. So you can see these conditions when you click on more details in the bank statement line. These include the payee, the description, the amount, and the analysis code. So let's try to set up a bankroll for Central City Parking. So let's click the options, create bankroll. So here, step 1, apply a bankroll. Any conditions match, meaning any of the conditions you will create in this section should match. Second option is all conditions match, meaning all the conditions that you created here in this section should match. So let's try any conditions match. Central City Parking payee. Okay, the condition we can choose include equals, contains, starts with, is blank. So I would choose contains. So anything, any bank statement line that has Central City Parking will be captured by this bankroll. So step 2, set the contact. Option would be during bank reconciliation to an existing or new contact or from the payee in the bank statement line. So I would choose to an existing contact. So if it's a new contact, just click on this one. So step 3, allocate line items. So this one, we could choose the account motor vehicle, then the tax rate is on expense, and the amount, say the central parking is $12. So all Central City Parking that amounts to $12 will be recognized, and a bankroll or a matching transaction will be created. But I would prefer the percentage or percent line items instead. So in this section, I will put account, and then whatever the amount of the Central City Parking, all of it, 100% will be reconciled to this bankroll, and then set the reference. Say whatever reference you would like to among these conditions, but I would choose during bank reconciliation. And then step 5, add rules detail. So if the Central City Parking is paid through the business bank account, choose this. If it's in a business savings account, choose this. Or if it's being paid on either, just choose all bank accounts. And the name of the rule is Central City Parking, and then hit save. So that's how you set up a bankroll in Xero. So this is part 1 of the Create Bankroll feature. Please see part 2 video as a continuation where I discuss the reconciliation of the transaction with bankroll. If you find this content helpful, would appreciate if you hit like and subscribe, as it will inspire me to create more insightful videos for anyone who would like to learn Xero bookkeeping. So happy days to you, and thanks for your time.